So today I'm at a place called Le Gouffre and it's really beautiful. You can see it in the background. Here you can see the power of the waves that smash on the island, and you can see the volcanic origin of the island here. It looks extremely spectacular, but it also has a sad story, because this is the place where when islanders commit suicide, they do it here, because the water is really wild here and a lot of people die. So it's also a sad place, because you see a lot of crosses and flowers here for people who committed suicide at this place. So yesterday was my first day at language school. Today is a day off, so a nice start to language school. Tomorrow I'm gonna have school again, and so I thought today I'm gonna use the day to experience some new things, because you get asked all the time, what have you done on the island so far, and you need to tell your free time, leisure time activity things, and I felt like I haven't done enough. So today I forced myself to go out to visit this beautiful place on the southern part of the island. I'm usually afraid of heights, so I can't go any closer, but it looks super spectacular. Have a look, the waves are beautiful. I think it would be like the perfect surfing conditions if there weren't the sharks everywhere. But this is just a wonderful place. Where you can see the beauty of the nature. Is truly beautiful. Every corner that you pass is revealing an even more beautiful place, and all these little stone towers look super crazy, because I'm alone at this place and they are everywhere. Everywhere. I spent hours here doing photos and other videos and more photos and drone shots, and spectacular. This is just mind-blowing. I'm really super happy that I decided to go on this trip. It was really worth it, and it's such a nice walkway. It's not exhausting at all, and you have spectacular scenery everywhere.